At number 1, we have the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9900 Prestige Electric Toothbrush. Exceptional care, personalized to you with SenseIQ technology. Get personalized guidance and real-time feedback with the advanced Sonicare app powered by AI. It's 20 times more effective on plaque, yet gentle on gums. The visual pressure sensor helps protect your teeth and gums from excessive force. Sonicare Fluid Action drives fluid deep between teeth and along the gum line for a superior clean. Customize your experience with 5 brushing modes and 3 intensities, plus a 14-day battery life. This is the complete package for the ultimate in personalized dental care.
At number 2, we have the Oral-B IO Series 2 Electric Toothbrush. The Oral-B IO Series 2 is a fantastic value-packed choice for effective everyday cleaning. It excels with its round brush head and advanced IO technology for up to 100% more plaque removal than manual brushes, and a pressure sensor with a red light indicator to prevent overbrushing. Key features include a 2-minute timer with 30-second quadrant reminders, 3 cleaning modes, straightforward controls, and a convenient charging dock. It's reliable and effective on gums, making it a top pick for consistent results without complexity.
At number 3, we have the SURI 2.0 Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It impresses with a sustainable design, featuring plant-based bristles and a program to recycle used heads. The Smart Touch Sense pressure sensor protects your gums, while 33,000 sonic vibrations deliver a powerful clean. It's designed for a light, feathery clean that feels premium, with an oblong head that maneuvers into tight spaces. Plus, the sleek UV sterilizing travel case keeps your brush fresh and clean, wherever you go. And with over a month of battery life, it's simple and convenient without heavy app reliance. It's even designed and tested with dentists, so you know it's a choice you can trust. The SURI 2.0. Great for those prioritizing sustainability alongside solid, premium performance.
At number 4, we have the Philips Sonicare 4100 Series Electric Toothbrush. This affordable yet capable model is excellent for reliable daily use, featuring a pressure sensor to help protect your gums. It includes a smart timer with quad pacer for an even 2-minute brush, prompting you to clean each area of your mouth. The oblong head with varied bristles accesses hard-to-reach areas effectively, removing up to 7x more plaque than manual brushes. The sonic vibrations feel gentle and thorough, leaving teeth feeling refreshingly clean. It's simple to operate, with 2 intensity settings, a brush head replacement reminder, and a 14-day battery life. Ideal for budget-conscious users who prefer Sonicare's proven technology. Great value with soft, effective cleaning.
At number 5, we have the Oral-B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect. Engineered for superior results, it removes 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Its smart display guides you with a smile, ensuring you brush for the dentist's recommended 2 minutes. The smart pressure sensor protects your gums by lighting up green when you're brushing just right. Get data-driven insights with the Oral-B app, which tracks your coverage for a perfect clean every time. With multiple modes, a long-lasting battery, and a luxury design, it's more than a toothbrush. It's the future of oral care. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect.